Hi there, I'm Wendy Margolin, and I help service providers stand out online with content marketing. I want to talk to you about branding for service providers. Why do you need it? So when someone works with you, they are working specifically with you. It's because of your deliverable, the fitness classes, the therapy sessions, the copywriting results that you provide, but it's also specifically because of who you are, because of the experience that you offer. So when you brand your services with images and content and language and colors and a feel, you are letting your audience know what it's like to work with you, what it's like to know, like, and trust you. And you let people understand if you are someone whose services would resonate with them. So branding for service providers is really important. But when you are a small business, it's not always something that you can afford to do with a big agency or even an expensive graphic designer. So I've created a guide to show you how to do this yourself. You can do this in a day, and I'm going to give you the information you need. So follow along, download it, and let me know if you have any questions. And please tag me once you have it done. I want to see what you've created.